Cardboard kits you can bend into programmable RC cars, magic pianos, motorcycles, fishing poles, and even a giant robot mech suit. Nintendo Labo is a crazy construction and gaming set arriving this April, turning the Nintendo Switch into a modular toy that transforms into a wild combination of papercraft things. I got to play with Nintendo Labo along with my kid at a preview event in New York City, designed for parents and children to collaborate. The wildest project is the Nintendo Labo Robot, an $80 standalone kit that turns your body into a cardboard mech suit. A cardboard backpack, arm and leg controls, and a flip-down visor control a giant robot's movements.
This is like father and son Pacific Rim.
Throwing punches and stomping around. A second $70 variety kit does several things all in one package. It's got a fishing pole that feels like you're casting a line into the Switch screen and rumbles when you're reeling in a catch.
I love this thing. This is amazing. It's like an arcade fishing game.
A cardboard piano really works and changes musical styles depending on what cardboard plugs you popped into it. The Switch can turn into a motorcycle with a cardboard kit that acts like handlebars and accelerates when you twist. The rumbles even feel right. A weird house toy turns the Switch screen into a window, while cardboard plug-in faucets and buttons make things happen inside. And an RC car kit works with up to 2 mini cars simultaneously, turning the Joy-Con controllers into buzzing, moving robot bugs. Each of these games was a blast to play for the short time that we got to play them. Many of them feel like the sort of crazy ideas that 1-2-Switch promised when the Switch console was first released last year. The construction process can get complicated, but for my 9-year-old and I, it was clear and fun. Really well-made instructions show all the steps in 3D. Coloring in the creations with pens and stickers is totally optional, but yeah, you should do it. We had time to make the RC cars and most of a fishing pole. And here's the surprise, the toys are programmable. Labo Garage will allow anyone to customize how the cardboard creations communicate and connect. Use the motorcycle handlebars to control the RC car, or maybe even make an electric guitar with cat sounds. We don't know how deep all the games are and how durable the cardboard creations are over time, but Nintendo Labo won my kid over, and me. It might be reason enough to get the Switch.